Please pull down on your lap bar and secure it firmly to your legs. During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train at all times.
Jam platform. Platform, clear dispatch.
Here we go! We're back on the Iron Gwazi. We're gonna see how this compares to the Wildcats event. Oh my god, that was incredible.
It's brilliant.
Just as good as I remember it, man. Oh my god.
It's hard to rate them, isn't it? Like Velocicoaster or this one.
It gets difficult when you ride so many of them.
Here back in the UK, we have nothing like this at all. It's really...
I know Thorpe Park is supposed to be getting something like humongous next year.
It is, yeah. You know, you go to Thorpe Park and the queues are just, it's impossible, you know. You go maybe 2 or 3 rides, you know, it's just not worth it.
Right.
You know. Yeah. You travel a lot for the roller coaster end, you travel.
I do actually. It wasn't until this year before I could start going crazy with it because I was in school.
Okay, right.
I graduated in May, so pretty much adults.
Please lift up on your lap bar and unbuckle your seatbelt. Collect all personal belongings and exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Iron Gwazi and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.